Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to start FabriCAM with a licensed key. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head back to the tutorial here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at buying a serial key. So if you head to the am.co.za's website and then you look for the buy this.co.za, then you can buy one of those serial keys. So if you're not sure, you just look at the previous video. There'll be a link in the description. Now, after you've purchased your USB drive with a serial key, and it arrives obviously, then we can go ahead with starting the program. Now the process is pretty simple, but we'll just show the difference. So let's say I start the program here without the key plugged in. So I go to FabriCAM, start it, and then it will give me this error: please plug in USB dongle and restart the software. Now I've already purchased one, or I was actually sent one from the company for testing. So let me just take it out of the packaging. It should be a blue little USB flash drive, so it's not going to look like this image. And then it's got some serial number on it, but you should be able to simply just plug it into your laptop or computer, depending on what you use. And then if it is the first time, your Windows will first basically activate the key in that. So you'll see in your bottom right of your screen, it will show you some message about Windows setting it up. Don't worry about that, just leave for that to finish running, and then once it's done, it should tell you that it is done. So in my case, it has already done it. So then what you want to do next is you simply go to the program again, click, and then it should start it. There we go. So then you wait for it to load, and then we have the actual program. If I just put it on the screen for you guys, loaded. So the process is pretty simple. It shouldn't be any hiccups. If there's any problems with this process, just leave comments in the description and then we will look into it. But otherwise, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and until next one, cheers.